Good morning. My name is Ana Saldaña. I am a student music administration at the University of Compensar. My profession is student. Milagros del Cielo. It is about a family that is Christian living in the country. The characters are Madeline the four, three under Abby, Anna, Adeline. Their parents, Christine and Kevin. On their hand is Dr. Norco, what will assist in one of the under with a certain reason in the stomach. They have a money friendly but what to help them. They too scenery in the will and they feel tax bills in the house in the countries in and in the city of Austin where the province here that will is reach the goal will have the outdoor. And the squad in the rain in the hub in the wood Christy Derrick's has that of that is the side disease. She had been diagnosed with a faint months to late that is with he traveled to Boston with the Dr. Nurko Kevin and his other how degree Abby in Adelaide. Stay in the country working hard to get money is the hit Christie, where the spend is very months of stretch. And they returned to the house and in that center. In the trade with Anna, the evolution the out of the story because the that file in the grill managed to record the because the she it is has the country with good habit her this good chance. She helped the family that have in the God again with they had already lost it. My opinion is the one much the God until the last instances is the place the and Paris to come on much find one in the hill. I'm recommending this remotely because in the case and I messages to people how it looks fine in one and decide that the show and not exist in world life.